Welcome back to the Bailey Financial Group. This is Jerome, and I am here with you at day 11 of the FTMO challenge. I'm back in it. It's been a couple weeks, about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, however long, but I'm excited to be back in the challenge. And let's make a quick video, give you a quick update. So here it is right off the bat. You can see what kind of day I had. I started with just a few small lot trades just to, get the account going and take a look at what happened in just one day. One day. Okay, so you can see what kind of day that I had. All right, so let's go down and take a look at a few trades. Started off kind of rocky, just getting the nerves out, but it ended up being overall a break-even day. So let's scroll down, show you what happened here. So with my first few trades, like I said, it was just me being back in the challenge and just getting the nerves out. So I hit stop loss, and pretty much it's just me doing my best to work on my patience. That's all it is. It's just a game of patience, and I wasn't patient enough. So that's pretty much what happened with the first few trades, and those trades were in gold. Same thing here. I was just impatient. That's all it is. I had these really good setups, these M and W setups, and if I had been just patient enough, they would have played out on these gold trades. So kind of messed that up, but that's okay. To be honest with you, I was a little nervous at first because the max loss in one day is $5,000 for the challenge, and I hit close to $4,000. But even though I was a little nervous, I said, you know what, I need to calm down, relax, calm my nerves, and then just focus. And let's get ready for the U.S. session. And that's exactly what I did. So I worked out the nerves early on, and I got ready for the U.S. session. So I moved on from gold, and I started focusing on oil because I saw some good opportunities with different setups. So let's just go over those real quick. We cut those bad trades out of the way. So this was the first winning trade of the day. So let's get into it. Scroll over here to the left. So my entry strategy was a type 1W setup. Okay, so my comments are down here below. Spotted a type 1W setup. Price broke the low of the Asia session. Price went up further in the US. So let's take a little bit more detail look at that. So right here, you can see this W pattern. Okay, so now this green line right here, this is the low of the Asia session. Right here, I'm trading the London. This is the low of the Asia session. This is tends to be a textbook type 1W setup. When it goes below the low of a session, and you get you can scalp for a reversal real quick, and just be in and out of a trade as fast as you can. So this is the W, and I entered here at a round number. So let's see what happens. You can see here. Okay, so the W was down here, and I entered there, and you can see that it was a pretty good trade. Now, eventually, this did go down to right around here, and it stayed around this area. So the W pattern actually continued up into the U.S. session, but we'll take a quick look at that. But I just got out. I took my profits. I just wanted to, get back in the game. So took profits, took myself out of it, and took the money off the table while I could. And we have one more trade with oil. Oil is pretty cool. I mean, it kind of fluctuates up and down, but I'm really starting to dig oil. I'm becoming a fan. Nice round numbers, really easy as far as numbers are concerned with trades and take profits and stop losses. I'm digging oil. My favorite two commodities are gold and oil. I have a good time trading those. Didn't start off good with gold today, but that's going to change in the future, Lord willing, hopefully. But anyways, so let's take a look at this. This was in the U.S. session. So entry strategy, type 3W setup. Okay, and spotted a quick setup on the 1 minute chart. This was actually, like I said before, a continuation of the Type 1W setup from the London session. So let's take a quick look at this. Tap on that. Okay, so here below, you can see a W formation. This is a 1 minute chart. Okay, so W formation, and I got in here at round numbers at $79. All right, so, and it actually continue on. My exit strategy, I had to take profits early. Okay, so this was the trade that helped me to break even. It wasn't exactly a break even day. I'm still at a negative $59 in some sense, but that's pretty much almost break even. So I'll take that, going from almost negative $4,000 to break even. For me, in my book, I'll call that a win. So for me, it's a clean slate after the first day. So I will take that and run with it. So W entered in at round numbers and got in at pretty much around break even. And I would have stayed in the trade longer, but I had to go off to work. My work started at 8 o'clock in the morning, so I had to leave. I didn't have time to nurse the trade. And you know what? It actually started to go down later on, and it turned into I believe a type 1M trade actually later on. And it went up here and then it started coming down. It turned into a type 1M, but I had to go. I had to get to work. And so I just took my profits while I could. So that's pretty much it for day 11 of the FTMO challenge. I'm very excited to be back in. Let's see what happens. This says day 4, but overall, since this is my second shot at the FTMO challenge, overall this is day 11. So I'm looking forward to passing these objectives and making it work. But anyways, my name is Jerome with the Bailey Financial Group. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Leave some comments down at below in the comments. Let me know what you think. Have any questions for me, ask away, and I will do my best to answer those in time. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. And always remember to stay blessed and take the money and run.